welcome back to Dila's Kitchen. So today we are making chicken tikka. I've got my fillet chicken here, spices, yogurt, lemon juice and oil. We're adding our spices to the chicken and we're just marinating it quickly. We've got some lemon juice, some oil. I don't have a spoon here. Adding our yogurt. And then we have finely chopped fresh mint and coriander. You can use either mint or coriander. I use both. And 1 drop of red food coloring. So this is the red food coloring and it's just 1 drop. And we are just mixing it. I'm going to marinate this for about half an hour and then we carry on with the next step. I marinated my chicken for half an hour and now I'm adding the chicken to a pan with a bit of oil. This is hot oil. 2 to 3 tablespoons. I'm going to fry it both sides. I'm flipping my chicken. Then I'll remove it and fry off the chicken dish. Into a pot, I'm adding some ghee, adding 1 chopped onion, I'm going to cook the onion until it's translucent, 2 to 3 minutes. Adding ginger and garlic paste. Giving this another minute. Adding tomato paste as well as my spices. This is Methi Masala, this is Tandoori Masala because I don't have tikka, and some chili powder. And this was the leftover marinade of the chicken that I'm adding. I don't want to waste it. It's more sneak. Dry. I'm adding a bit of water, not a lot of water. I've added a teaspoon of sugar. I always add it to my paste or my tomatoes, and I haven't seasoned yet. And now I'm adding my chicken back. Giving that a mix. Adding a little bit of water. I'm going to give it like 5 to 10 minutes, let's say 8 to 10 minutes. I'm seasoning it with some salt. Salt is belangrijk. Kan dit nie vergeet nie. Whenever you cook, you just taste, then you'll know that you have to add more salt. Ending off my dish with a bit of garam masala, some garam masala, a bit of fresh cream, and some coriander. Okay, so we normally have ours with some stuffed paratha And veggies on the side. Just garnishing. Some chicken tikka, and there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram or Facebook. The link and the recipe will be in the description. And don't forget to hit that like button on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Thank you for watching, and God bless.